morning we'll be davening at 6:10. Very brief of our Torah. Again, we're still dealing with the scouts. And the big mistake, of course, was the scouts that Moshe sent let their egos get in the way of their mission. The reason I keep referring to them as scouts and not spies is if you know a spy's name, when he goes out on a mission, then he's failed already in his mission. The entire purpose of the spy is to be hidden. That's why, if you look in the Haftorah for this week, it's Yoshua sending the real spies to Jericho, and we don't even know their names. We have no idea who they were. And instead of going to the important people, they went to the one place where they knew they would get the truth about Jericho. To Rachav, who is euphemistically referred to as an innkeeper. She charged by the hour, so to speak. But they knew from the pillow talk that she got, they would get all the information of what were the defenses of Jericho, how to conquer it. Sort of like when Israel became a state, one of the people who suddenly disappeared from the Israeli scene was Yitzhak Shamir. Yitzhak Shamir, for those who don't know, was one of the leaders of the Lehi or the Stern group. And he suddenly disappeared for about 10 years from the political scene in Israel. What happened was in 1948, David Ben-Gurion called him into his office and said, I want you to be the head of the Mossad in Europe. And that's what he did for those 10 years. That's why he disappeared, was he was doing the other work for Israel. And when Yitzhak Shamir, by the way, asked Ben-Gurion, said, we disagree politically, philosophically, on everything. Why do you want me to be the head of Mossad in Europe? And Ben-Gurion replied, because you'll give me a straight answer. You won't sugarcoat your answers for me. And that's what you need in a spy. Somebody will give you a straight answer. And this is also as a lesson to us that we can't let our egos get in the way of any judgment that we make. We have to look at, first we have to look at the facts. And whatever the facts are, that's what we have to go by, no matter what our preconceived notions are. And that's what the Torah is also trying to teach us. Something to think about, Kaddish Rabbanim.